Here's how you can organize your fridge to help increase the food's shelf life. On the top shelf right in front, I like to store my leftovers and also date them so I can see them and use them immediately. In the back of the top shelf, I place anything that I know I don't use as often but won't spoil as fast, like hot sauces or vinegars. Moving on to dairy, try to keep them in the coldest spot in the fridge, so more towards the center or the back of the fridge and away from the doors. And same goes for meat. Also try not to keep your meat on the top shelf because if anything drips, then that's how you'll get cross-contamination. And I don't know about you guys, but I keep bread in the fridge and also a small section for dough. Moving on to veggies, I store them in one drawer and keep them in plastic baggies or containers and a high humidity level, and my fruits in a separate drawer to help keep the veggies fresh in a low humidity level. Now if you have a third drawer, I usually use this space for cheese or snacks, like I got some cream cheese, chocolate, dried fruits, crispy onions, anything like that. Lastly, moving on to the door, this is where I'll store my juices, water, cokes, condiments, anything that doesn't need to be super cold. That's pretty much it, and I know it's easier said than done, but